O, kanta na. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Kanta ka, anak ko. Okay, ulitin natin ha. Ulitin natin. Ulitin natin. Come, dear mother, hear me say what I can do with A, B, C. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Nakakulit na ako kasat mo eh. Anak, kunwari, artista. Kaya sinasabi mo. Kunwari, artista ka. Ngayon kakanta ka. Ayaw mo kumanta. O, sige. Where is your head na lang? Very good. Where is your eyes? Your eyes. Your eyes. Your eyes. Eyes. Where is your eyes? Papakita natin kay papa mo. Show me your eyes. Beautiful eyes. Beautiful eyes. Where is your nose? Where is your nose? Very good. Where is your ears? Show me your ears. Very good. Where is your teeth? What did you say? Where is your teeth? Teeth. Where is your lips? Your lips. Very good. Where is your neck? Where is your neck? Dali na. Ipapakita natin kay papa mo. Where is your neck? Neck. Neck. Tawa ka naman. Ano pa yung alam mong kanta? Ano pang alam mong kanta, be? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Ano din na? H, I, J, K, L, M, N, N, O, paano alphabet? Tawa ka naman ng tawa, anak ko eh. Ipapakita natin kay papa mo. Anong tawag mo kay papa mo? Daddy na, daddy? Daddy na? Anong tawag mo kay papa mo? Anong tawag mo kay papa mo, daddy? Ha? Tawa ka naman ng tawa eh. O, sige, lalagay natin sa Facebook ha.